Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back really quick because I was super excited to get this new planner set up for you for the month of May. I want to say thank you to everyone who has been a follower. For the new subscribers, I truly love you guys, and I hope that you will keep rocking with me on my planner journey. We are going to do a flip through of how I have the Trifold Energy Rings Planner set up. If you did not catch my unboxing video, make sure that you go back and watch that. I just kind of do a quick unboxing and review of my thoughts of the planner. Nothing really in depth. It's about a 10-minute long video. So yeah. So we are going to open it up and I'm going to show you how I have her set up. Now, before we get into it, let me tell you that the rings in this planner are very small. So I had to basically just get to the meat and potatoes. And I wasn't able to include everything that I wanted to, but I have the most important things set up in this planner, and it's not a lavish, extravagant setup. You know, I just need this, like I said, for the meat and potatoes. I will be still doing my memory planning in my Filofax Malden, which is sitting over there on my other desk, but this video is all about her. So let's open her up and see what's inside. So this is the trifold planner, so it does fold out. Excuse me for the glare. Let me cover that up so it doesn't blind you, but I'll just go briefly through what I have. In this zip pocket here, I just have some flags from the Honeybee shop and some sticky notes from, this is from Shine Sticker Studio, and I believe this is from either Go Mine and Cocoa or, yeah, Go Mine and Cocoa, and they're just some sticky notes, and I stuck them to the back of each other. This is just like a little calendar for pre-planning or just making little notes on it. And then these are just some little functional stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So that's all that's in that front pocket. In the side flap, you do have, I think, 5 pockets, but I've just used this clip here. It is a macrame clip from TiedbyJ. You can find her shop on Etsy, and I just thought that was really cute. I have the planner card that came with the planner. This is a Sweet Planner cover in the, let's see, undyed Italian Tuscany Minerva. I think I said that right. This here was a printable, a freebie from Mamagracieplans. She does have a YouTube channel, and you can go and print out these pocket cards. So I just have this here in the pocket for just quick reference. And then this here I received, they were like little memo notes, little sticky notes. Well, not sticky, but just little notes. And I just stuck it there because it went so well with the colors of the planner. This here is a printable appointment card from Paper Test Designs, and I just printed it on a sticky note that I got from Oso Paper Co. And that just sticks like out of there just in case I schedule, you know, an appointment while I'm on the go, and then I'll just transfer it onto the calendar later. I don't have anything in the back pocket. I will probably leave that pocket for some cash. And let me open this up right quick. Here I am using this pen slot here to hold my Sharpie S-Gel pen. I was going to consider putting a fountain pen in there, but I don't want it kind of to bleed everywhere, you know, just in case something happens. I do have this makeshift cover that I just made from some laminating sheets, ran it through the laminator, cut it down to size. That's just to protect any ink from getting on the leather in the interior pocket. You guys that have been following me know this cover that I made. So I just thought I'd put her back in there. And then on the back, I have some sticky notes from Simply Gilded. And then this is a dashboard, I believe, by... I'm not sure. But if you know, let me know. This table of contents I made, let's see. Well, it was like pre-formatted, and I just went in and put in my sections. So I'm not sure what that's from, but I will try to link everything below that I've used. I've mostly tried to use freebies, but some things I did have to purchase. And then the little dots here that you see, I just put them inside the laminating sheet before I ran it through. And yeah, it turned out really cute. You guys, I was not really prepared for this video, I guess. Because I'm not going to, if I can remember right offhand as we're flipping through, I will mention it. But if I don't and you have a question about it, just make a comment below. But a lot of the things and a lot of the inspiration I took from Crystal Plans. She's very thorough in documenting all of the shops that she gets her inserts from and her freebies. And so that's basically where I pulled the majority of my items from. This here is, I think it's a KelAnn Designs dashboard. So you get them in all sizes, which is awesome. Just in case you want to, you know, go into a different planner. You don't have to repurchase it. She gives you all of the sizes in one. So that's there. And I'm trying to go with an all purple vibe. So you may notice that all of the dashboards and inserts may be like colors of and hues of purples or lavenders, because purple is my favorite color. So if I go back to the table of contents really quick, the first section houses my calendar. The second section is my inbox. Third section is my list and trackers. My fourth section is actually my planning section. The fifth is finances, and the sixth is just personal notes. And so I used some dividers here from the Filofax company. So they kind of help me know what section is what. And some of them are covered by these other inserts, but I thought that was really helpful, so I decided to add that in. This here is just basically like if I have things on the go. It's kind of like my future planning, and I did go back and include the previous months, and it is from Wise Coffee Break. I did have to purchase this. I think it was like $3.95, but it's the perpetual forward planning calendar, and I have not put in my dates yet. So I have all of the months of the year. This here is just a planner card from Pretty Planner Co. And it had the pretty purple background, so I added that in. And so that's section 1, which is my calendar. These dashboards are from HeyPlannerGirl. I do believe I had to purchase these as well. You can, I think you can edit them. I'm not sure, but I decided to print them on like light lilac color. And I know it doesn't go well with the actual planner cover, but I had already decided I was going with a purple vibe, so I just let it be. So here, this is from HeyPlannerGirl, just the holidays for 2024. And then on the back, you just get that image. This here is a freebie from Aelyzecreates. And then the monthly inserts are also from Aelyzecreates. This here was in a bundle that I had purchased off Amazon from the wanderings.com company. And it is just the 2025 calendar, so I inserted that. These purple acetate dividers are from Simply Created Doodles. They are the sun inspired dashboards, so I thought that was pretty. You can have the border and the actual design. You can choose different types of foils and trims. So if you don't like purple, you can get it in hollow. Just different options there. So now we're getting into my inbox section, which is section 2. In this section, it will just be like to-do list and brain dump. So this is from Momyeplans, Filofax, and Filofax. So I just have a couple pages there. And then the third section is my list and trackers. So I have my no spin tracker for May already in there. My mood tracker, which this is a printable from Monthly Joy. The sleep tracker is from Analida Designs. This is a freebie. I have 2 sleep trackers in here. One from Planner Room and one from Analida Designs. The one from Planner Room, I just notate what time I go to bed, what time I get up, and then I just calculate those hours and make it into a graph over here so I can kind of at a glance see my sleep patterns. So I have a couple of those. Also tracking my vitamins and supplements, my online orders. This is from Planner Room also. And then the Spoke To log, which is from Plan with B. You guys, I didn't think I was going to need something like this, but I have found like within the month of April, I've been receiving medical phone calls from my kids' colleges about graduations. I've been calling people, you know, just for different things. So I didn't think I was going to need this insert, but I actually did. And it's just a very convenient way to keep track of all those phone conversations that you have. I did not print it back to back because just in case I need to expand on a phone call, I do have the back to make additional notes. So that's why I didn't print it front and back. And I have about 5 pages of those. Simply Created Doodles insert along with the KelAnn Designs. This, like I said, we're leading into my planning section, so I thought that was very cute to have that image there. And then the planning section, I stuck 2 of those sticky notes from Simply Gilded on here just to kind of help me be able to easily flip to my month from the top instead of, you know, going up here and trying to figure out what section it's in. So I can just kind of pull this, and this is May. These are from I don't know, I'll link them below. And then I'm just keeping it functional here, just basically the week at a glance, writing down to-dos, errands, and then important events. This is from Aelyzecreates, which is a freebie. So I have enough for the weeks beginning May, I think, through July. Like I said, these are only 23 millimeter rings, so I can't like really chunk it. It's just got to be the meat and potatoes. KelAnn Designs, and then we'll go to my finance section. I'm wondering, you guys, if I can kind of like trim out and trim this out. I don't know. Let me just leave it. So in my finance section, I have my bill tracker. I have the weekly expenses here, and I have one for each week. It's kind of like a checkbook on the go. You have, and these are from Filofax. You have like whatever is incoming as far as maybe you can do all your bills here, or you can notate like your pay. And then down here you have the payments that are due that week, and then the budget. And then on the back you have all that you spent for that week. So I have enough for the month of May. Then this is my personal section. So I have my husband's work calendar here. He does work for the school system, so it's helpful to know what days he's off or when he has spring break and stuff coming up. And then I just have a page here from Momyeplans. I will be trying to transfer over like my passwords, my contacts. I do start therapy next week for my shoulder. My left shoulder has been giving me problems for like over a year. So I finally just bit the bullet and talked to my doctor, and we're going to try therapy first before anything else. So I will transfer over my therapy notes. And then this here, it says notes, just additional. I have some Filofax pages. And then in the back, I just decided to put this little acetate here from the Honeybee Shop. I don't have anything in this back pocket. I have the Sweet Planner card that I had to trim to fit in here. And then just a Bible verse. And so the rest of the pockets I will probably put in like some credit cards. Of course, my driver's license. Yeah, and I think that's it, you guys. Some people, I had posted an image of this on Instagram, and some people were wondering how the fold worked. Well, when you close your planner, you fold it and then you snap it. But if you're on the go and you need to write, the flap doubles as like a writing board or a pencil board. So say I wanted to go in and notate an appointment, I would just pull this page, flap this back, and then I have a space to kind of write on. So that's one of the reasons that I ordered this planner. It was a pre-order, so I don't know if she's still taking orders, but it's just, it smells so good, and you guys, it's just so pretty. And I really, really like her and can't wait to get into her in May. I'm going to keep her in the dust bag. I do want her to get a little bit more shine and get a little more patina, but I don't want her to get, you know, soiled and ugly and all of that. So yeah, this was my flip. You guys, let me know what you think. I'm super excited. I am still planning in my Filofax Malden, and I still have my little Mabel. You know, like I said, she's shy. I just need different things, you know, so when I change out purses or bags, you know, I have the appropriate size planner. So once again, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you have a question about anything in this planner, comment that below. I will try to list out everything, but if I happen to miss something, just know that you're welcome to message me and say, hey, where can I find that? And I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. So until the next video, you guys, take care, love you, and see you soon. Bye.